Suntsoskyhtiö Haukkalinna.
Today is the 26th of January 2025. It's still very nice, although it's unfortunately it was modernized.
Yeah.
Because originally this has been Helsingin Hissi from 1968, modernized in 1998 with the Otis pictures. Super is 392, the newest number is B1 SY 8523, the capacity is 3 parcels of 4 grams, and it seems to be finished here. And this is also, what was the address again?
Päärtinpolku 4.
Staircase E.
Yeah.
Takahuhtaa Tampere, Force, Pappila and Finland. 5 floors. We have from the staircases A, B and C, only D left in this building.
Yeah.
I wonder if somebody's gonna use it there.
Probably not.
Hope not.
Siis bitpaikkilaista meidän tai Otis on now discreet.
It wasn't anything. But it just sounded like somebody had pressed the button.
Yeah.
We had to do this one, the staircase C first, and then D, because it was the situation was not clear in staircase D yet.
Yeah.
But they are easily accessible. Open the other later.
Yeah. That's